What's up, everybody? It's Taryn, or it's Shuggy, whatever you want to call me. We're gonna do something a little bit different today. I'm not gonna do a restaurant review or a mukbang. I'm actually gonna cook for the fam today. My mom-in-law just moved into her new house, so I'm gonna break her house in and cook her a little something. So I'm making barbecue chicken, green beans, mashed potatoes, and that's about it. But before I can do any of this cooking,
hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
I gotta get myself a cheap bottle of fucking wine. So here we go. I don't even know what this is. Panetti. Pinot Grigio. It was $4.50 at Kroger. I'm about to twist this cap, prep my food, and I'll be right back with y'all. Before I even start anything, y'all already know what I need you to do. Subscribe, comment, like, so that I know, that y'all want to see more of these. Let me know if you want to see more of these, because, I don't know, I'm just trying something different, so I need a disclaimer. I'm a semi-unprofessional chef, so my methods may not be the methods of those who are professional. Now that disclaimer's out the way, let's prep our food. You know you gotta have yourself a little dance break. You better get it. Okay, Taryn. Okay. Potato time. Make sure y'all peeling them potatoes and keep them in some water, because if you don't, they will turn brown. Up. Time for more wine. Yes, please. Okay. Some butter and some garlic is going in that pan. You're going to put that chicken in that pan. Let me tell y'all something. Make sure y'all season y'all's chicken. Okay, that looks seasoned. This was seasoned with some pepper, red pepper flakes. Alright, make sure you put some salt in those potatoes. You want to make them salty like the sea. Dance break. Okay. We doing a lot of dancing over here. Chicken broth. You don't want no dry chicken. Pour that chicken broth on that chicken and cover that chicken. Let that go for about 20 minutes. Ooh, stick a fork in her, she's done. Add some butter to that thing. Mash that thing up. Little whipping cream. Give it a little stir. See if you need some more. Little Philly cheese, sour cream, cheddar cheese. Give it a little stir. That looks delicious. Little chives for decoration. Back to the chicken. It's done. Listen to that sizzle. Sounds good. Alright, we're going to put some barbecue on it. We're going to mix it up a little bit. Make sure it's evenly coated. Pretty. And we're going to broil it for about 5 minutes. And it goes. And it's coming out. Let's look at it. Let's look at it. Alright, we're going to make some onions for these green beans. You want to get them nice and brown. Saute them around. Put some butter in it. Add them green beans. Some butter. Butter. A little minced garlic. A little more salt. So I salt in this meal. Mix it around. Just let that go. Cover it. What a beautiful meal. Enjoy.